Creating amazing videos has never been easier. Introducing Seedance 2.0, a powerful new way to turn your videos into stunning visuals. Faster, smarter, more creative. Welcome to the future with Seedance 2.0. So if I move, this is the Seedance website. I will provide the link in the description and in the comment box as well. Now if we see the interface, we have reference generation and we have first and last frame. So in reference generation, you will provide a photo reference or a video reference up to 15 or audio with 15 seconds, and just click here to upload, and then write a prompt of what you want it to create, like a guide of what you want. If you don't need if you want a prompt guide, here is the prompt guide. I will also you can find it right here. Just click on it and you will go. And now in the aspect ratio, and from here you have to choose the aspect ratio. The 16 by 9 is the standard YouTube size, and if you go with 9 by 16, it is the real size. Now if we see the resolution, we have two options. One is for 480p, and then we have 720p. Now here is the duration section. You can select up to 15 seconds of duration. It will cost us more credits. And we have two models, Seedance 2.0 fast, and then we have Seedance 2.0. Now let's move to ChatGPT to write prompts, and then we can just simply generate videos. Now I have just given it a prompt. This is a prompt to animate it, and then right. So we don't have any feature to generate images here, so I use ChatGPT to generate this image. But this was not the YouTube size, so I just gave it a prompt to generate a YouTube size. So I just simply hit here, and you can just simply get the image. Now moving back here, you can just simply have to click on this plus icon, and this was the image. This was the image I gave it. And now moving back to ChatGPT, this is the prompt we will need. So this is the prompt. Just describe ChatGPT what you want to create, and it will give you a prompt. Now I will just simply paste the prompt right here, and then if we see here, I want the aspect ratio to be this, and we can choose 720 as well. And you can go with duration whatever you want. I will go with 5 seconds, and you can choose the model and just simply hit on generate. So this will take a lot of time. Usually it takes up to 5 to 10 minutes because of the overload on it. So you can just simply go in my creations, and you can see, so the video is created. I have just simply downloaded it. This is the like this. So now you can just simply, I will play, and you can see our results. If the sound doesn't come, I will provide it in this. You can see a cinematic scene. The clouds are moving, the snow is falling as per our prompt, like this. Now once this is done, we will move to another video. So I will just simply move back to Seedance 2.0, like this. Now once this is done, I will just simply go back to ChatGPT, and you can see I gave it another prompt of this girl with a smirk, and then we have this rain falling and all that. Now I also asked ChatGPT to generate me image because we don't have a feature image. So now you can just simply click on this plus icon. So this is the image, and I will move back to ChatGPT. This is the prompt that ChatGPT gave us. I will just simply again copy this whole prompt like this, and now I will move back to Seedance. I will just simply paste it right here. Now once this is done, you can also choose any aspect ratio and 480p duration, and I will choose Seedance, and you will see this is showing 10 credits. So you can simply just hit on here. So once it's created, I will show you. So the video has been downloaded. This is the final result. Let me play and show you the final result. You can see the smirk on her face and the raindrops falling, and this is a proper cinematic scene, and then the camera zoom on her face. So this is how this is how you can create cinematic videos with Seedance 2.0. Make sure to try them out. I will provide the link in the description and in the comment box as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.